Let's talk about the weather. Some sun is shining out there right now. I'm not sure how widespread the sunshine is, but let's find out. Mike Everett joins us from the Weather Center. How's it going?
You know what, we're calling it filtered sunshine, and the fact that the temperatures are getting into the low 60s, we're going to call this a win. You know what? Beautiful downtown tonight. In fact, I expect a really good looking sunset. I'm expecting a good looking sunset up towards Mount Rainier in Paradise, where I'm loving everything I'm seeing here. There's some sun that will be setting here within the next couple of hours. They got the parking lot cleared, and check this out. They got a chance to actually use the plows and the blowers for the first time in a while, and they cleared it. Look at how deep that snow is right there. More on the way this weekend, if you can wrap your head around that. I'll show it to you in a moment. Another gorgeous live look from Hurricane Ridge. If you were with us yesterday, there was so much snow on the camera we couldn't even see it, but seeing some clearing now and some fantastic vistas out there. So while we're on the topic, we've got more coming in. We've got a weak system that'll move through on Friday and then a couple more this weekend. So we're going to put some icing on the cake. Friday morning at 9 o'clock when the lifts start turning, Baker's going to pick up another 3 inches. By the time we get to Saturday morning, check this out. After the snow that we just got, it looks like Stevens and Snoqualmie could pick up another foot on Saturday morning. Baker's closing in on 2 feet. Crystal did really well from this system. White Pass did really well, and it looks like we're going to get even more there as well. Well, on the topic, we're going to be seeing snow and freezing levels doing some wild stuff over the next couple of days, so don't be alarmed by that. 9,500 feet is where the freezing level will be tomorrow because it's going to be a warm day. Not expecting any precipitation, so not expecting any rain on snow. Watch what happens on Friday. We dip down to about 3,500 feet. Saturday, 1,500 feet. Sunday and Monday, we're going to get down below 1,000 feet. So the big question becomes, will it snow at sea level on Sunday? Well, the answer is yes and no. Here's what I expect. There will be some flurries flying as low as, say, about 300 feet, but I'm not expecting it to accumulate. So we're not going to see any impacts. It's not going to be anything like one of those winter snows that shuts down the city, but there is the possibility that if you get up on Sunday morning and take a look out there, you could be seeing some flurries flying. Now, here's what we're thinking that will keep that snow from accumulating. The ground is going to be warm. Temperatures are going to be right above below freezing, so we're calling that marginal air temperature, and the nature of the precipitation is going to be fairly light, so I think it'll be more of a novelty than anything else. We'll be keeping a close eye on it. Meanwhile, as we take a look up towards the passes, WashDOT absolutely crushed this system, kept the roads open, and they're looking fantastic now. High pressure is keeping any moisture away from us for the time being, but that high cloud cover that's filtering, well, that's above the high pressure, so we're continuing to see that filter. That'll break down, and that moisture that we see waiting in the wings is headed our way this weekend. Overnight tonight, though, we'll have some cloud cover that will keep us relatively warm, and as we take a look at the future here, clear, 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 and then bang, late Thursday night into Friday morning. By the time we get to about 6 o'clock, I do expect some widespread stratiform rain, and that snow to fire up in the mountains once again. That will just transition to showers on Friday, so it should be a pretty decent day out there. I don't think it's going to be a rain out. We will be seeing a very strong convergence zone setting up and staying in place through most of the day on Friday, and that's why we're expecting those impressive accumulations up towards Stevens and Snoqualmie. We're going to put another foot on top of what we already got. That's snowpack, and we like that. Taking a look at the winds, they're going to be fairly mellow and offshore for the next couple of days, but as that system moves through, they will gust up again on Friday. Nothing like the ones that we just saw, but they will get up into about the 20-30 mile an hour range there and stay there through most of the day on Friday. 7-day forecast shows us touching down in a relatively warm place overnight tonight, but the big story is 70 on Thursday. Get out and enjoy it because you're going to be putting a sweater back on this weekend.